How to stop Roblox from sending emails to parents. So in here, the very first thing is to obviously log into your account. And if you have set parental controls, or if your parents have set parental controls on your account, then you can still stop Roblox from sending emails to your parents. How you can do is first of all, get into your settings. Please click on this gear like icon on the top right corner. Then from here, what we're going to do is click on settings. After doing that, here click on parental controls. You'll be able to see whether you are under parental controls or not. Either way, you can click on notifications right here. Then from here, now what we're going to do is simply click on device notifications, let's just say, or go back in your device notification. If you see email, turn that off, or else you can go back and in here, let's just click on communities. In here, if you do see let's just say my communities, if you do, let's just say mobile, if you do see any email notification turn on, then what you should do is simply turn that off. So like I said, let's just go into socials. In here, if you do see email notification, go on it and turn that toggle button off, and that is exactly how you will be able to stop Roblox from sending emails to parents. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.